closer. Is this gonna be too much for us to bear?
Hello, how are you doing? Today we are gonna do this. Let's see if our voice is there and then we can proceed with it. Yep.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't
Okay.
turn back now.
So far, yeah, we were doing the web server, right? We were doing the web server, which this one I was seeing a video and I was doing it like off stream. Yeah. I didn't feel like streaming last few days, so that's why let's have a first book. Let's have that. And soon we'll go into Tokyo as well. So I think that would be something. Okay, we did this, right? We take out a listener, bind it to a TCP port, and then unwrap whatever is coming from. Okay. Yeah, we did that. We also did buff read, so whatever the stream, whatever is coming through the stream, we could read those. But really, I've forgotten most of it. See how it goes. So this returning a real HTML. Yeah, we did that. If okay. Validating the response request and selectively responding. Okay. Right now our web server is return no matter what the client. Okay, that's fine. Are we okay? If the return okay. If it is a get request, we are returning okay. Else some other request. Okay. Okay, I think wow. It's a single threaded web server. But yeah, it will be a bit like more to write if you could do it in like other languages. It would be a pretty easy code to write, I feel. But in this, it's like a bit. I think we are using if else right to route properly. So that's a bit bad. I am sure that there will be another way. I think Tokyo handles most of async, so I think we'll be using that once we write real web servers. That would probably work in production code as well. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I guess they're making it a bit easier by refactoring it. I remember this that if else you could do that and get a tuple. Okay. Okay, that's let's see what multi-threaded does. Okay. Right now, the server will process any engineering won't return as process the second connection until first connection is finished. Okay, so that's the problem that had that. Oh, I didn't pick that up. That it will only have one connection at a time. More and more is less optimal. Okay, a slow response request. Request. Remains. We call. Okay. We are doing a big leap, just skipping to it, but yeah, I think we could do it. Yeah, we'll go through it, I guess, someday, but not today because we have what? We have something that we have big kahuna. Okay, we'll be writing the code straightforward from like that. That would push us really well. So yeah, that would help us like regain what we need. Okay, thread pool is nothing but like suppose you have one servant, you tell him this, do this, and then he's doing that. But at one time, yeah, I was telling, okay, so I completely got distracted by my iPad. Yeah, so I was telling that suppose you have a servant, you tell him about to do, he'll go do that work, but at one time he can do only one work. That's like a he's simple-minded. You can't assign him two works at a time, because if you assign him that, he will just stop. He'll just panic and he'll stop there. Won't do anything. Okay. So yeah. So you are you gave him one work, he will do. Suppose somebody else from your family member also wants some work to be done. They can't do it unless that servant is free from your work. That's why I am not promoting slavery. But yeah, trade pool is basically you have multiple servants. Yeah, that sounds kind of bad, but yeah, that's a good example, I think. So you have multiple servants in your house. You call upon one whenever you need to get some work done, or you call, or someone from your family needs a work done, they can call a new servant or servant who is free. So that's what that trade pool is. Yep. I don't know what the full form of DOS attacks is, but I know what it does. Basically, it is a program or a set of like code which spawns multiple processes, tries to make multiple connections, and it's it breaks down your system. So basically, that's why we are limiting the number of threads, so that yeah, so that it's not taking too much resources of your server or your web server or whatever code you write. Because there is only a limited number of threads or cores in your CPU or wherever you are running the server. That is. Okay. Let's start writing then, shall we? Yeah. We go back. We remember that code to create a new cargo program or a new Rust program is cargo new multi-threaded. I guess that works fine because I don't wanna do one. Yeah. Did you know that if you do this, we can. NVM is great, man. To be honest with you. Okay. Did you know where we do you remember where we get the TCP stream from? We also need the listener, right? Yeah, you're right. You remember that, don't you? We set up ports that would listen to them, yeah? And do you remember? Okay, it was something like TCP listener dot bind, and you bind it to a port, which is, let's say, uh, one, let's say, and you unwrap that, and you get a connection, I think. So I am wrong, but why? We'll get to know. Just expected a value found a struct. Uh-huh. Isn't that okay? The only problem we hit was that we didn't do this, which I should have done, but I did choose to. Yeah, that's a bad habit of mine that I quit too easily when it comes to doing hard tasks. So that is something I have to. Okay. Okay, let's write whatever we remember and then we can check. Okay, let's have a intake. Basically, what we did, if we ever see, now this one we'll remember forever. If we see a result and we need that to not be a result that either gives us TCP stream or a error, we for sure have to use unwrap on that variable itself. Just give me a second, I got a call and I need.
I used to lie on top of the world. Now the view looks different from here. Nobody seems to care anymore about honesty, about honesty. In times of doubt, when it all went down and so wrong, I can do better. And the future's now and the calling's loud. We all want a different tomorrow. Light a match till I find a reason to dust myself off and I can rise again. There is always hope in the morning light. There is always hope in the morning light. The crowd is dancing while the world burns, and I'm thinking, how can we sleep? There's things that used to matter to me, like integrity, like integrity. In times of doubt, when it all went down and so wrong, I can do better. And the future's now and the calling's loud. We all want a different tomorrow. I can do better. Light a match till I find a reason to dust myself off and I can rise again. There is always hope in the morning light. There is always hope in the morning light. In the morning light. So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, heads whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Fate has been decided, it's over now. We got close but we lost somehow. So I just drive, don't wanna think or feel, just trying to survive, find through the haze. Remember the days where we are wild and free, basic getting sprung on. We used to dance the night away, hang out whole next day, laughing, having fun. I can't slow down, shouting loud, got me running red lights. Oh, I just can't get you out of my mind.
Sorry. It was a call from my parents and I couldn't have told them to do it fast. Okay, back at it. So B, spawn a thread, and whatever this is, I don't know what this is. What is this? Let's just take that as a syntax for spawning a thread, right? So we'll not be bothered by that, and we call handle connection on the stream. Okay. Okay. Let's just do that then. Thread spawn. And what was the syntax? This is the syntax. Do we need to import something? Do we need to? Come on, go. A and B do what? Let's just print hello because we don't have that JJ and shift A. Why is it complaining? Handle connection and we pass it the string JJ shift A JJ W. Wow. Cannot find module. What? Probably we would have to use std. Is thread a thing? I suppose they are. mismatched. Wow. And connection isn't matched. Let's just write the string is a TCP string, and what do we do with that string? String dot let's say a colon JJ, come on, no, W. Now the last thing is this. That means we are making something, we are doing something bad. Okay, semicolon. Maybe this would, yeah, this got, yep, let's do this then. Okay. Cargo run. Yep, we have a multi-threaded program web server that takes multiple connections, print the address the connection is coming from. Let's see if that happens. Control T, SP23, 127. Isn't it localhost? 78. Is it this? Yeah, it is this. And it says hello. Control AC, and how about we open another terminal which we, now what? Is it a different tab? Is a different port? Different socket, different connection. But why is it printing it a different number every time? That is a bit I think that is a bit about networking than that is about this program, so let's just not pay attention to that. Control W now we'll create a new thread. Great. So load and sleep. Did you remember how to make a thread sleep? Thread colon sleep. And you do duration from seconds, duration time, duration you upload. Okay, great. We got this. Don't tell me it's so easy that Deadpool is a built-in thing. Oh, this Deadpool isn't coming from over here. This Deadpool is coming from basic overhead, which they did somewhere. That's bad. Okay. Currencies, smart pointers. Think we would have to do 16, 17 as well. How do we do that? Shall we? Okay. Let's go through it fast and curious. Right. This we already know. No, 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 no. We already know. We already know. Great, 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 great. We know that. Let's join unwrap. And then join unwrap. Why is this? Two threads continue alternating. The main thread abates because the call to handle join and does not. Great. We use move here in order to move ownership of item B. I think there is that. To be honest, move is borrowed here. Requires argument of how to start it. Help to force the closure of and to take ownership of the. That is why we do that. Okay, great. I got that. Great. Oh no.
You gonna break my heart. You gonna tear it apart. No matter what you do, I'll still be there for you. And when you call my name, I won't be far away. No matter where you go, I'll never be alone. No, you'll never be alone.
Okay, you got that? Okay, that was a good thing we did that. Do not communicate by sharing memory. Instead, share memory by communicating. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't know. Let's try to simplify this and get an example of this. This is how we use ChatGPT. Or we could tell me an example of this. We multiple threads all try to access centerpiece of memory. Okay, fighting or each worker and independently then sends to a channel. Okay, got it. Great. Good work, go. Is anybody scratching over there? But I don't know. Right. Great. Remember this? STD Sync MPSC is our channel. It's used to create a channel through which transmitting and receiving could happen. Could happen, yeah. Possibly correct. Let's do one thing. One thing, let's cut this shit. Sorry for that. I shouldn't be saying stuff like that. I really apologize for that. I should keep it clean. God, I mean, random is it? Man, words. Yep. Okay. Oh no. JJ G G I use STJ. What was that? Sync. It was sync. Did you remember that? I bet you didn't. And what was that? NPFC. Yeah. Yeah. And then we change to this and we go down and we delete this line and we go enter this and we go JJ and we go we go tab, we go let, we create a transmission receiver, and then we go shift A equals to, and then we need to create a channel, right? Who will create a channel now? I will create a channel now. So, and then we do a semicolon, and that's it. So let's do this then. Did you know that we need to go there and import thread? Yeah, we did. Now coming back to did you know what keyword to use to move the to ownership? Okay, great work. Now, now. CX does what? EX sends. Hi. Unwraps them. Unwraps them. I mean, it's won't it be the same? Did you get? F T did find the okay.
Someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change.
What difference does it make if we do this?
On your arm, once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change.
Did you remember that there should be a this? Again, into the closure. Send method returns a result. Type.
I stopped asking
to unwrap, to panic in case.
So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption.
Okay, great. Now what? Now we do is equals to alright.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go.
We spawn another one. CD putting cargo one. Hi, this is the value, right? So yeah, great. That's fine. We don't need to be perfect, right? We didn't had got, so what? This is the same, right? Got high. That's the same. Okay, there are two useful methods: receive and try receive. We should use this, I think, because if we use this, we would need to unwrap it in terms of short receive. So bad.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
We knew that ownership was a big thing when it comes to writing safe code, right? Because Rust most probably does errors with ownership because it tells you that this is the way to write the safest code you could write, and that's how it prevents you from writing unsafe code by giving you errors based on ownership, so that there are no null pointer errors, no dangling pointers. That's as far as I know. Come on. Now, let's go ahead. So this will give an error. Yeah, this does give an error, right? Once the value has been sent to another thread, the thread could modify. Okay, we are not gonna do this because we know that each delivery once again will get high from the thread like that. We get we are not doing anything wrong here. So yeah, yeah. So that's that. Multiple producers. Let's see what that does. Yeah. Okay, if you wanna. Uh-huh. Wow, this is like a bit. Let's see if we do this, what happens. I'm curious. It's a back and it's a wake up string. And we do what? We do back. No, we don't do that. Come on now. Is it back? Is it back? Yeah, it is. This isn't wrong or what? Suppose. I suppose it's not wrong. Boo hoo. Come on, no. I want this to work, yeah? This four. Okay. Yeah, it's
Round your head like a satellite, but the orbit ain't enough. Gravity failing me, I fall to nothing. It's the way I knew the change was coming.
tap tap tap.
Read the warning signs.
Great. We learned about channels, we learned about threads, how to spawn them, how to move ownership of variables. We didn't learn how to join them, I guess. But I mean, that's like a bit send and sync. Okay, great.
I don't wanna feel.
Just give me a second, I'll see something in my work laptop because I needed to do something. Come on, refresh this.
Yeah, now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah, drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Yeah, tell me lies like you mind. Crazy how the time flies. We begin to sky high. So what? Hey, no rush. Hey, turning lights out. Do you wanna level up? Baby, let me fill your cup before we out of here. Do you wanna take it slow? Just let me know. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Yeah.
Just give me a second. I was checking something. I'll be back. I need to make a call.